Is this still relevant in 2019? You answer the question. Yo, what's up? It's your boy D1TV, back again with another video. All across the board, my social media is D's Eye. This is what I want to know. This little bad boy here. Is this able to do the job? Is this still relevant? I'm gonna let you decide. What you think? My little baby, that's just how I do it. Nothing technical here. Let me know what you think. Of course, I'm coming from the dungeon just to mix it up a little bit. I'm out here in the garage playing around with some stuff, but want to run that by y'all real quick. I'm happy. Again, let me know what you think. Catch you on the next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Subscribe.